Welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add and manage profiles on Chromecast. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. So I'm going to hop over to the top left button right here. So clicking on this once is going to bring me to this page. Here you can see me having two different accounts, John and DaveTech. Now you could also add a Google account to this profile. You could manage these two profiles. So I could choose to browse on John, and just clicking on John will load up that particular profile. So at the start of this video, you saw this icon as DaveTech. Now you see the icon as John. So you could switch between the two. If I come here and click on this, you can see me switching and managing between those two profiles. And now I'm using the DaveTech profile to stream, to watch. My search history will be on DaveTech now. The watch list and the libraries will be from DaveTech. So you could also add another profile on Chromecast by simply coming to this plus button here. So you could add a kid account or add an account. So just click on add account and add that Google account there. So you could put in just standard code on your smartphone. Ensure that smartphone has a Google account you want to put on Chromecast, and ensure that Chromecast and the smartphone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If that is the case, you're good to go. Just go ahead, scan that code, and you have that account logged in. Alternatively, you could click down to find this sign in on TV instead and click on it. Now when you click on this, you're going to be able to put in the password and your Google account. So just type in your Google account, click next, type in the password, confirm, and there you go. You are signed in to Google account on the Chromecast. Now that's the end of this video. If you found that insightful, smash that subscribe button, like the video, share it to whoever needs it, and I'll see you in the next video. This is DaveTech signing out.